Hi. Welcome to Residence 8C at 590 West End Avenue. We're going to give a tour today of this downtown loft uptown on West End Avenue. It's a great space. Come on in, Amelia's inside waiting.
Andrew, I've been waiting for you. You're right, this place is amazing. This is huge entertaining space. What a great place to throw a party.
I love this den. You're hanging right with the cook where all the action is. Honed silver granite, stainless countertops, and beautiful tiger wood cabinetry.
But I love all the top of the line stainless steel appliances and the all-important, hidden down here, wine fridge. Look at this double living room. This is perfect for social distancing.
I think so. This is the way to relax.
Let's go look at the bedrooms.
Good idea. Don't you just love a great statement wall?
And I love that the floors are soundproof.
Amelia, there you are. I love this bedroom, but look at this walk-in closet.
Don't you love that the second and third bedrooms are so far away from the entertaining space? And we have R2-D2 over here. Where's Baby Yoda?
I love that the built-ins in these bedrooms are solid maple and beautifully finished.
There's a whole lot to love here in this loft-like space.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz. We're at Brown Harris Stevens.
Give us a call or drop us an email.
We'll see you soon at 590 West End.
Residence 8C.